Located just steps from the Quinville Conservation Area, this beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath colonial is set upon over an acre of scenic property overlooking the Blackstone River. The main entrance welcomes you into a comfortable living room with gleaming hardwood floors and a pellet stove with a handsome brick backdrop. The tiled eat-in kitchen is accented with a lovely inlaid backsplash and provides plenty of space for a charming breakfast area. Offering access to a nearby powder room, the kitchen also connects to a bright dining room with a wealth of natural light streaming in from an attractive bay window looking out to the water. Just off the dining room is a relaxing sitting area with a vaulted ceiling and walkout access to a raised deck affording tranquil views of the river. Heading upstairs, the second floor showcases an expansive master bedroom with skylit ceilings. This owner's suite offers ample space for a private sitting area while also including a large walk-in closet and an ensuite bath. Completing the second floor are 3 more large bedrooms and a second full bath, while the home's lower level provides a finished rec room which steps out to a generous backyard with a garden shed and fire pit. Located in the rural town of Lincoln, this property is only minutes from both the Lincoln and Kirkbrae country clubs, while residing just a short drive from the 627 acres of hiking trails, fishing holes, and swim areas at scenic Lincoln Woods State Park. Visit the collection of retail stores at the Lincoln Mall or enjoy a night out at nearby Twin River Casino. Centrally located between New England's 3 largest cities, convenient access to the interstate and the South Attleboro train station allow for easy commutes to Worcester, Boston, or Providence. For more information, please visit the property website or contact John Bassett at area code 401-578